In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up custom live wallpapers on Lively Wallpaper. So if you don't have it downloaded yet, make sure to go to your Microsoft Store and simply just go to search and look for Lively Wallpaper. Once you do so, just go and locate it and simply install it. You'll find an example an install button like in this one. So you'll find the get button or install. Just go and click on it. Then once it is installed, you'll be able to go and open it up. So let's just wait for it until it's open. And here we are, we have it opened right now. So what we'll have to do is simply click on the plus button or add wallpaper. You'll find it at the top right. So once you click on that, you'll be able to go here and choose a file, or an example, if you have a GIF, or you can even enter a URL from a YouTube video or something like that. You have even this advanced example, but we don't care about that at the moment. So as an example for me, I'm just going to choose a file, and let me just first of all go and download a random like GIF. Or maybe no need. So let me just go here first of all and choose a file. Pictures. I do have here. Yeah, I'm just going to choose this video. For example, I'm going to choose this video as my Lively wallpaper. For the name, I'm just going to do like name it Stickman. So or sticks fighting. It doesn't matter. So Stickman fighting. So you can add description, author example. You can add a website description, just to Stickman as example, fighting using big spoons. So yeah, that's good. I'm just going to click on OK. And let's just wait for it until it's added. So yeah, you can go and click on accept wallpaper. And as you can see, it is added. So if I go now, and as you can see, I do have it as my live wallpaper. To ensure that is live wallpaper, as an example, I'm just going to show the desktop icons, and here we are. We have it as my live wallpaper. And of course, if you want to disable it, you'll be able to always come here and disable it to the same application. Of course, you can add another wallpapers like GIFs if you don't want a video or something like that, and it's very easy. You can even enter URL, the YouTube video, or as example, web page, whatever you want. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.